Tulsa's 911 center can now dispatch a new kind of first responder. Thanks for staying with us here at 4:30. I'm Tatum Gwen.
And I'm Jonathan Cooper. Hundreds of emergency calls that usually went to police are now being handled by trained counselors. News on 6's Emery Bryan is live with how that's working. Emery?
Well, Jonathan and Tatum, the city is claiming early success, not just by saving money by diverting these mental health calls to mental health professionals, but also in better outcomes for people who are in distress. Inside Tulsa's 911 center, call takers and dispatchers decide what help to send for each type of call. For the last 2 months, they've had an additional option, passing the call to a mental health clinician to assess the situation.
When someone calls 911 in the middle of a crisis, they don't always need sirens, but we know they always need some sort of support.
The mayor and city council celebrated the first full month of the new service. In that month, the 911 center took more than 86,000 calls. Of those, 86% of calls involving mental health were diverted to mental health professionals. In just that month, that meant police were diverted from more than 600 calls they would have responded to otherwise. Fire, paramedics, and IMSA were also diverted in smaller numbers.
There's fewer unnecessary transports by IMSA, fewer unnecessary police contacts by police, and fewer fire apparatus or resources deployed because of what these clinicians are doing in this 911 center.
The service is projected to cost about $450,000 a year, with clinicians on the phone and in the field responding to help. But Family and Children's Services believes the savings can't just be measured in dollars.
Then when you think of the human cost that goes along with not doing that, I think it's much greater.
And the program is coordinated and financed by Family and Children's Services, which is under threat from the state to have its funding cut off within 1 month. The organization says it's still committed to this program because it's already showing that it's working so well. Jonathan?
All right, Emery, thank you. And if you or someone you know is struggling with a mental health crisis, help is available 24 hours a day by calling 988.